The indexes that we've created so far have not been unique. A unique index enforces the constraint that each key can only appear once in the index. That is not true for the indexes that we've created. Let's create another collection here. db.stuff insert, and I'm going to insert a thing. I'm going to insert a pair, and now I'm going to create an index on this collection. Oops, sorry, mistyped it. Need to have the collection in there. So we created an index on this collection, and I can create multiple items with thing pair. So I'm going to put another one in. It's all good, and I'm going to put one in with thing apple. But what if I wanted to create a unique index? All right. If I look in stuff right now, I can see my indexes. I can see I've got this index on thing. Let's drop that index, and now let's try to create an index that's unique. So we do that with an ensureIndex command with now a second document after the first one with unique being true. And this is going to enforce the constraint that each key can only appear once. Now, it won't allow me to do that because, in fact, there is a conflict. So let's get rid of that conflict. So db.stuff.remove. Let's remove one of these right here. I'll remove one of these pairs. That should do it. And now if I try to create the index, I can do it. And if I call getIndexes on this collection, I can see that there's a new field now. It says unique true for this secondary index. And if I try to insert something that violates the index, like for instance inserting an apple, I get a duplicate key error because I can't have more than one item in the collection that has a key with thing apple. So you'll notice that the _ID index is not shown as unique, but we know and we've told you that it is unique. So this is actually a slight vagary of the database that it doesn't tell you that that particular index is unique. But if you try to insert into it, you'll certainly see that it is unique. So I'm going to try to insert into the collection. I'm going to do this, ID1, B1. So now I'm inserting something with _ID of 1. And if I try to insert another document with _ID of 1, I get a duplicate key error exactly the same way as I do on the index on thing, even though, in fact, the database does not tell you that the index _ID is unique. But it is a unique index. And so just to review, to create a unique index, you specify this unique : true option in a second document after the ensureIndex. All right, so now it is time for a quiz. Please provide the Mongo shell command to add a unique index to the collection students on the keys student ID, class ID. And please type that right there.